Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be looking at how to release a Mercedes-Benz gear shift stuck in park. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Have you ever started your Mercedes-Benz but discovered that the transmission gear selector refused to move out of park to drive? Don't get yourself worked up, this isn't a transmission problem. Some troubleshooting steps can speedily help you narrow down the issue. This video will show you how to get the car out of park manually and how you can troubleshoot gear selector shifter problems without the help of a mechanic. Suppose your Mercedes-Benz automatic transmission gear selector is stuck. In that case, you can manually move the shifter from park to drive using the shifter override feature found on almost all Mercedes-Benz models, including C-Class, E-Class, CL-Class, ML-Class, SLK Class, and other models. Mercedes shifter stuck in park problem. If your car starts fine, but you cannot move the shifter into drive, and you notice the shifter is stuck, there may be some accompanying symptoms. It may be stuck in D, R, and N and will not move back to park. Unable to remove keys from the ignition. Unable to get Mercedes transmission into drive. Mercedes gear shift stuck in park. Mercedes will start, but the transmission unable to go into gear. The shifter cannot be returned to park, and you are unable to remove the key from the ignition. P, N, R, D gear selection indicator on dashboard not revealing correct gear. Mercedes-Benz cars fortified with automatic transmission have a gear selector shift or interlock safety feature. When you turn the ignition off, this safety feature locks the shifter in park. To move the shifter out of park into drive, reinsert the key into the ignition and turn it to the position. The interlock mechanism permits the shifter to move out of park when you press the brake pedal and turn the ignition to position 1, 2, or run. Common causes of shifters stuck in park. The list of the most common reasons why the gear selector does not move out or park and into drive includes 1. Defective brake light switch. 2. Low voltage or dead battery. 3. Spilled liquid on the shifter assembly. 4. Defective shift interlock solenoid. 5. Faulty engine control unit. 6. Defective transmission control unit. 7. Transmission shift cable broken or shift rod bent loose. Possible solutions: if the shifter on your Mercedes-Benz is unable to move out of park, first check the battery. After establishing that the battery is fully charged, check for a defective brake light switch or a damaged shifter module. Brake light switch. It is common for the brake light switch to fail. When this happens, the shifter will not be released except you press the brake pedal, which is proper operation. Once the brake light switch stops functioning properly, the shifter cannot tell if you are pressing the brake pedal or not. This will cause it to get in park. Avoid checking if the brake lights are working to establish whether the brake light switch is functioning or not. This is not an ideal test to troubleshoot whether or not the brake light switch is functioning. The major symptom you notice quickly is that when the brake light switch fails and you cannot get the car out of park, the ESP, ABS, or BOS lights will also turn on. This indicates that the brake light switch may require replacement. The shifter assembly may malfunction due to wear or internal failure. The shift interlock solenoid located inside the shifter assembly can fail. Plastic parts located inside the shifter can break down. If this happens, you will need to manually get the car out of park, pending when you'll get the part replaced. Note: you can check the gear selector on your instrument cluster. If it doesn't display the current shifter position, such as P, R, N, D, then it is probably a good sign that the shifter module is faulty. A low battery voltage of the dead battery is one common cause why the shifter may not move out of park. You should replace a dead battery before proceeding with other repairs. It is quite easy to replace the battery on your car. The ignition switch should be in position 1, 2, or engine running. After turning the key to any of these positions, the shifter is unlocked from park through a cable or electronic switch. If the cable or the ignition switch fails, the shifter may get stuck in park. How to manually release shifter stuck in park. Avoid forcing the shifter into gear because you can break other parts by forcing the car into drive. As an alternative, try the following steps to get your car out of the park manually. You can also use the same procedure to get the shifter from neutral or reverse into the park position. Steps on how to get your Mercedes out of park. 1. Press the emergency brakes on your car. 2. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to position 1, 2, or start the car. Starting the car is not compulsory but optional. 3. While following these instructions, press the brake pedal and keep them pressed to ensure that the car does not roll away. 4. Locate the gear shifter lock/override on the center console. It is near the shifter lever. You will notice a small plastic cap that is covering this port. 5. Remove the small plastic cover which is used to store coins. You can use a screwdriver to lift it. 6. You can press on the manual release switch using a screwdriver. Push on and hold the override switch. 7. Use the screwdriver to push the unlock tab to release the shifter. Steps to take when troubleshooting a stuck shifter that won't go into drive. Step 1. Turn the key to position 2 and severally press the brake pedal. This will cause the solenoid inside the shifter to release from park. Listen for a click sound by the shifter module. You may hear the solenoid unlock. If you hear the click sound, then this is a good sign. It means the ignition stimulates the interlock mechanism and permits the gear selector lever to move out of park. Step 2. Read the trouble codes by getting an advanced diagnostic scanner. Alternatively, you can get a diagnostic scanner. They are inexpensive and easy to use. Using an OBD2 scanner is simple, even for a novice. Step 3. After Step 2, remove the brake light switch and troubleshoot it using a digital multimeter. If you don't know how the multimeter works, you can replace the brake light switch instead of testing it. The brake light switch is very cheap. Step 4. If the Mercedes-Benz shifter cannot still be moved out of park position, then the shifter selector module may be faulty. This may be caused by a broken plastic shifter inside the shifter or drinks getting spilled on the center console. You can open the shifter module and then proceed to replace the broken plastic. Some frequently asked questions. Is the shifter interlock feature required? You can achieve this by using the method described above to get your Mercedes-Benz out of park. I can't find a shifter release on my Mercedes-Benz. Some Mercedes-Benz models, such as S-Class, W220 and CL-Class, don't have a hole for you to release the shifter from park manually. In this case, you can manually move into park. In conclusion, if the shifter refuses to move out of park unless you step on the brakes, you should check the brake light switch first. You can get someone to watch the brake lights as you step on the pedal. If the brake lights come on, it means this part is okay. Then you should check for a failed brake shift interlock solenoid by stepping on the brake pedal and listening for a click sound. The sound indicates that the solenoid is fine. If your car passed both tests listed above, the problem might be caused by a broken plastic part inside the shifter assembly. This plastic pieces break all the time, causing a stuck shifter. Some mechanics may replace the shifter assembly, which costs about $1,200 from the dealership. This is all we've got in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.